Before applying the promo code, the price is $29.99. After applying this promo code, the price is reduced to $23, saving almost $8 every month for a lifetime. Hi guys, in this video, I'll share my exclusive EverBee promo codes with you. These codes give the highest lifetime discount on any plan, whether it's growth or business, and they're valid for both monthly and yearly subscriptions. To claim the discount, click the link provided in the description. It will direct you to a special page where you need to sign up by clicking the Sign Up for Free button to create a new account. Make sure to use my link in the description to sign up, otherwise you won't receive the lifetime discount. You can sign up using Google or by filling out some basic information. I'm choosing Google to sign up. After that, you'll see a screen with two options: Add to Chrome and search products on EverBee.io. You can choose either one, but I'm recommending selecting Add to Chrome as it will make your work easier. And adding it to Chrome is completely free. Once you have finished signing up, click the Upgrade Plan button in the corner. This will take you to the pricing page, which looks similar to this one. You'll find two plans to choose from: Growth and Business. Simply select the plan you prefer, Growth or Business, on either a monthly or yearly subscription basis. I recommend choosing the yearly plan because it gives you an extra 33% discount compared to the monthly plan for a lifetime. So with my promo code, you'll get both the promo code discount and the extra 33% off, which is a great deal. Now, let's go through the process of applying the promo code for both monthly and yearly plans one by one. So if you prefer to purchase on a monthly basis, select the plan of your choice, either growth or business. In this video, I'm going with the growth plan, but you can use the same promo code with the business plan too. After selecting your plan, click on the upgrade button given at the bottom of their plan, and then choose the Have a Promo Code option. At the time of video creation, the highest discount code available is AGR25. However, if better deals or updated promo codes arise, I always add them to the video description, so make sure to check the description for the latest discounts. Although I'm using AGR25 in this video, applying any other updated promo follows the same steps. Now enter AGR25 in the caps lock and hit apply. You'll instantly save almost $8 each month for the lifetime. Complete the checkout process and you're done. Now, let's move on to the yearly plans. Similar to the monthly plans, select your preferred growth or business plan. Once again, I'll choose the growth plan, but remember, this promo code applies to both plans. Choose your desired plan and then select Have a Promo Code option. As of the recording of this video, the highest discount code available is AGR25. However, keep an eye on the video description as I'll update it with better deals or new promo codes. Even though I'm using AGR25 in this video, the steps for applying any other updated promo code remain the same. Enter AGR25 in the uppercase and apply it. You'll instantly save nearly $60 each year for a lifetime, plus the extra 33% discount that is already applied when you choose the yearly plan. Complete the checkout process and you're set. That's it. You have successfully redeemed the EverBee promo code and saved money. All the latest and updated promo codes are included in the video description in case you want to copy and paste it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Let me know if this EverBee promo code worked for you or not. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscription button. See you in the next video.